The importance of the choice we make a foundation of good governance.
In our increasingly complex world, the concept of good governance has emerged as a cornerstone of stable prosperous society. However, achieving good governance is fraught with challenges, corruption, lack of political will, limited resources, and societal inequalities can be hindered effective governance practices. Many of the Filipino citizens were blinded, and yet we insist for a better government. It should be accountable to public responsibilities for their actions, should be answerable to the public, and must be subject to penalties if they violated public trust.
Magandang umaga po. Kamusta po ang kalagayan niyo? Huwag po kayong mag-alala, nakahanda po kaming magbigay ng mga pangangailangan niyo at mga pagkain.
Thank you, Kap. Nag-aalala po kami sa mga nasira naming bahay. May tutulong po ba kayo para magawa po yung mga bahay po namin na nasira?
Huwag po kayong mag-alala, nakipag-ugnayan na po kami sa mga matataas na departamento para sa masusolusyonan po ang mga nasalata nating mga kababayan.
Moreover, an administration must be transparency. Transparency involves open access to information, allowing the citizens to see the workings of their governments and hold it accountable.
Magaling po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanong niyo. Ipinaglaban ako po na ibahagi sa inyo ang ating annual report. Ito ay malaking oportunidad upang mag-reflect sa atin ng progress and mag-discuss na rin on how we can continue to improve.
Maaari niyo po bang ipaliwanag kung paano na parte-parte ang budget ng taong ito?
Oo naman po, pinag-hati-hati na po namin. May 40% na rin po para sa edukasyon at yung sa ikaunan pa po ng ating komunidad. At saka yung sa mga emergency na rin po. Kasi po, naniniwala ako na kapag nag-invest tayo sa ating komunidad, parang nag-invest na rin tayo para sa ating future.
Pero ano po environmental initiatives?
Para naman po dyan, may 50% na rin po tayo pondo para sa tree planting, tsaka po yung sa mga garden, and yung pagtatanim po natin ng mga gulayan, gano'n. Yun po.
Good governance is also about inclusivity. It must ensure that all voices are heard and represented in equally balanced laws. Historically, marginalized groups have had limited access to the decision-making process that affect their lives. As we work towards the good governance, it is imperative that we advocate for inclusive policies that empowers everyone in the communities.
Paano naman po yung sa ating trash collection? Sa ibang lugar po kasi hindi nag-pick up sa tamang araw kanilang mga basura.
Para naman po dyan, nakareceive din po kami ng complaints para dyan. Nakikiusap na rin po kami sa waste management team at magbibigay naman daw po sila ng bagong schedule para sa bagong pag-pick up po nila ng mga basura.
Paano po pala yung sa mga sira-sirang kalsada? Maayos pa po ba yun?
Aabot pa po sa amin ng complaint na yan. Pero nakikiusap na rin po kami sa City Council na magkaroon ng pondo para mapagawa man lang ang ating mga lubak-lubak na daan.
Lastly, engaging citizens and stakeholders in governance process is vital. Active participation not only empowers individuals but also lead more information decision making. It fosters then a sense of community and shared responsibility.
Yan, so isang magandang matigil sa bawat isa. Kung malaman kung meron na po ba kayong initiatives o meron na po kayong nais i-propose na proyekto sa ating barangay. Gusto po namin supportahan ang pang-edukasyon at pang-kalusugang program.
Absolutely. Suportado kayo ng team namin. Pero anong specific na edukasyon or healthcare program ang nasa isip mo?
For education, we propose literacy programs, teacher training, and school infrastructure improvements. For healthcare, we'll focus on immunization drives, medical missions, and healthcare education seminars.
These are the qualities of a good governance. Good governance is the process through which public institutions conduct public affairs, manage public resources, and guarantee the realization of human rights. It encompasses transparency, accountability, participation, and the rule of law, ensuring that government entities and officials act in a manner that is ethical, efficient, and equitable. In the political arena, good governance also promotes trust among citizens and fosters a